Hey guys, James, living in paradise here at the rooftop pool, and I want you to keep watching this video because in the next 15 to 20 minutes I'm going to show you how I left the USA in March of 2017. I went to the country of Singapore, and I have traveled to nearly 23 countries in the last 3 years, and I still have not been back to the USA. And I did it, and I've been doing it, and I'm still doing it, making money online every single day. So keep watching, let's go. Whoop, whoop. I will show you how to live a paradise lifestyle, just like me. Let's go, baby.
So we are here at Walmart in Mexico, and there's the entrance to Walmart. It's a Walmart Supercenter, 3 blocks from the beach, the Caribbean Ocean, right on the beach. And they're taking things pretty seriously here, but there's not a lot of coronavirus cases, but they are taking things very serious. So they're only letting in one person at a time per family. So if I want to go in, you got to put a mask on, number one. Number two, you can only go in by yourself. You can't walk in with 2 or more people. So they are taking it pretty seriously here because this is like the #1 tourist vacation Caribbean beach town in like Mexico, right? Well, for a long time. It's about 30 minutes south of Cancun. So they would not let me in. They would not let me in the store because I came with somebody else. So I'm just hanging out outside here with all the shopping carts. Look at all the shopping carts because there's nobody here. And they won't even let me in to spend money. I just want to go buy some stuff. They won't even let me in. So I sent somebody else in to go buy some things for me. And hopefully they'll come out with my stuff. So keep watching my video. Let's see what they buy for me, okay? Welcome to the Caribbean coronavirus in Mexico. But the good news is I have 5 ways you can make money online right now. Right now, today. So keep watching my video. Hey guys, what's going on? We got a little bird here. We're in Mexico on the Caribbean. Check her out. He saved her. Yeah. Tell him what happened.
So I found him between a tree and a car, and he was a little hurt from the wind. So now I'm taking about him, and I only wait for he recovered and try again.
Wow, she's beautiful. Wow, look at that. So he found her on the street. Look at her. Look at that. Hi. Hello. Beautiful. Welcome to Mexico, Caribbean coronavirus. We're okay. Everything's okay here. Yeah, we're good. No problem. No problem. And he's got his little bird and his little dog.
Also, she's breathing.
She's okay. And we're good. We're at Walmart. They didn't let us in, but we tried to get in. But this is what we're doing here in the Caribbean, hanging out, surviving. And yeah, beautiful people. She's happy right there with you.
Nice.
Yep. She's talking to you. She's like, thank you, muchas gracias.
He's so cute.
That is amazing. Is that amazing or what? That's called caring, giving, and taking care of somebody else. Look at that little bird. He's going to take care of her. Okay, hey guys, what's going on? We're in Walmart. Check out all the fresh food. Baby, say hello. Hello. And look at all this fresh food. Look at this, amazing. Look at behind me. Look at this. We have plenty of fruit, vegetables, food. You have no idea how much food they have here. Okay, now I'm not wearing my mask. It is amazing here, guys. I'm in the Caribbean in Mexico right now, and I'm living an amazing life. We're gonna walk over here, check out the rest of the store. There's nobody here, there's nobody here. You're only letting in one person at a time. Follow me, follow me. And they got some like funny pillows here, right? For fun. But listen, if you guys want to learn how to make a lot of money on the internet, the #1 news system online is this. It's really simple. 5 simple steps. It's really simple. You're gonna sell a product. #1, you have to sell a product. You don't even need a product. I have a product. You can sell my product or service. #2, teach people how to do it. #3, set them up with an automated funnel system like Amazon. #4,
You have to learn how to set up the payment options: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Stripe, PayPal. There are 15 payment options. You can collect money from people every day. And then number 5, you repeat the process every day, post ads, sell that product and service, and you make millions of dollars. It's really simple. And if you are not currently making money online, number 1, you're an idiot. Number 2, if you're currently only making $10,000 a month, you need to upscale your business. And number 3, if you've been sitting through this whole coronavirus quarantine at home doing nothing, and you have not set up an online business with Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or any other affiliate marketing company, you are absolutely losing millions of dollars every year. You will lose millions of dollars for the rest of your life. Let me show you how to set up a system, 5 steps, where you can sell any product or service. And if you don't have a product, like I said, I have the product, I have the service. My service is number 1. I charge people money to teach them how to set up an online business, and we do it in 1 day. I have people pay me $25,000, $25,000 to set up their whole business for them, and they start making money within 3 days. You like that idea?
Okay, so we're here at Walmart, Mexico, on the Caribbean, 3 blocks from the Caribbean Ocean. We're buying a bunch of stuff here. Everything's on sale, 30%. 30%, 50%, 70% off everything. All this stuff, it's so cheap right now because of the coronavirus. So thank you, coronavirus. I don't want other people to get sick or die, but I want to keep this virus going. You know why? I'm making more money than ever, and I'm saving more money than ever. I love it when blood are in the streets and people are scared. I love it. That's when you make the most money, and I'll teach you how to do it. Keep watching my videos.
All right, so here we go. We're at the rooftop pool, hanging out, Sunday, May 3rd, 2020, coronavirus quarantine. Check out the pool. There's the pool. It's a nice roof. I'm on the roof. We're on the roof. Here, I'll show you proof. We got the sunset. Sunset going. Hey, baby, say hello. We got. Look at this beautiful scene. Look at the sky. We're in the Caribbean. Caribbean of Mexico. There's the sun. Over there. We're gonna have a sunset in probably 20, 30 minutes. Probably I don't know, 30 minutes. And then over here above my head, we have where's the moon? We got a moon here somewhere. Where is it? I'm trying to find it. Right there. There it is. And there's a kite. Is there a black kite? Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's a kite up there. I don't know if you can see it, but somebody's flying a big kite. But anyway, if you guys want to learn how to make a lot of money online selling products and services, this is the time to do it while you're under quarantine, while you're sitting at home doing nothing. So here's what I have. I have a brand new system that I created, but I copied it and duplicated it from other people that are making millions of dollars online. You don't have to create anything. Stop trying to figure shit out. Just copy successful people, millionaires. And what we did is we took their steps and I simplified it into a 2-step system. So let me just listen to me. Number 1, we are posting messages all over social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Twitter. Okay? There's over 1 billion people. There's over 1 billion people. Listen to me. There's over 1 billion people worldwide right now online every minute of every day. And they're looking to do one thing: make money. So if you teach them how to make money, they will pay you a little money to do it. So let's say somebody pays you $100 to teach them how to make $100 a day. And I know exactly how to do that. I can teach you how to do that. Teach people how to make $100 a day, and I'll even show you how to make $100 a day. And there's 30 days in an average month. So what's $100 a day times 30 days a month? That's $3,000 a month. Do you know that would change the life of most people in America, most people in Canada, most people in England, most people all over the world? So there's over 27 or 28 English-speaking countries. And if you can teach people how to do one thing, sell one product online, and make $100 a day, just $100 a day. That's nothing, but it's a lot of money at the end of the month. It's $3,000 a month, and then you can make more as you build. That's what successful people do online. You like that idea? I hope so, because that's exactly what I'm about to teach you how to do. Stay tuned, baby. So that means the number one thing you could do in the world, and ask any multimillionaire. You ask a multimillionaire right now, hey, what's the one thing I could do to make money? And they're going to say, you need to get your ass online, and you need to start selling products and services online. Number one, e-commerce, selling products on Amazon or Shopify or eBay or somewhere, because everybody's stuck at home and everybody's pulling out their credit cards and debit cards and they are spending money online. The question is, are you receiving any of that money? So that's what you need to learn how to do. You have to learn how to sell stuff online. And if you don't want to sell things, you'll never get rich. You know, the richest people in the world are salespeople. Let me say that again. The richest people in the world are salespeople. They sell things. Look at Donald Trump, President of the United States. You might not like him, you might hate him, but you have to admire him and respect him. He's a billionaire because he's a salesman. His wife is a saleswoman. His wife, that's right, the model, her old modeling days. But she sells clothing, perfume, she sells things online. Look at the Kardashians. How do you think the Kardashians are worth $1 billion? They sell products online. Are you stupid? Are you an idiot? Hey, I'm bringing out the Italiano in me from Jersey because I'm a Jersey boy. You are a fucking idiot if you don't learn how to make money online selling products and services, and I can teach you how to do it right now. Are you ready? Got it?